you guys are all doing good. And I want to start this video with another apology, which is like super embarrassing of me, but I have to do that because last video that was about my weight loss was uploaded on January, and now it's the end of May right now that I'm recording this video. So I just want to apologize for uploading, almost like not uploading so consistently, but I won't have to apologize for not when my diets and trying to move and all that weight loss stuff. So about my weight loss journey, it's been actually going great because at the January video that you've seen, I was back at the start. I wasn't even on track, so I had to start from the bottom again, and I was 62 kilograms, and right now at the end of May I weigh 55 kilograms, and it just honestly feels so good. I feel better. I'm so like right now I'm trying to keep up with the eating habits, like I'm eating healthy and I gave my eating some schedule. I'm also exercising, but I cannot see that much of it yet on my tummy, especially. That's my problematic area, I have to say that. And with the exercise and keeping up with the schedule, that's why I'm hopping on with this video, because I want just to announce that since today, which is 24th of May, I am starting the 75-day soft challenge. It's going to be a soft one because in the hard one, you have to exercise twice for 45 minutes daily, and with my 12-hour shift at work, it's impossible. So I'm also not that great at keeping up with that much exercise. I literally have asthma. I tried running. In the previous video I said I don't like running, so like just exercise at home is perfect for me. Although I tried despite that fact to run, and I for the love of God cannot run. So just 45 minutes once a day is perfect for me, not like twice for 45 minutes. And that's like probably the only main change or like difference between the soft challenge and hard challenge. It's just the amount of exercise. So what this soft challenge consists of is, of course, for this 75 days, I'm going to eat healthy. There are no cheat days, which for me, I don't really have like cheat days. It's just like, if I'm craving something, I will eat it, but I will not overeat myself with that food. So no cheat days, no alcohol, which again is not a problem for me. I don't drink, and if I do, it's just some liquor, but I can cut that off. It doesn't matter. So there is no alcohol. There is each day 45-minute workout or exercise. And for your mental health, like you grow not only like physically for taking care of your body, but also you want to feed your mind. You should read like 10 pages each day from some non-fictional book, like something that gives you straight facts and is a food for your thoughts. So like anything that could teach you stuff, or like literally anything that is non-fiction. If I would want to throw a random fact in there, I started this challenge today and I'm reading this book about word history about sexuality. So just because I'm queer and I want to learn. So fingers crossed. That is my plan for these 75 days, which is like until 5th or 6th of August, I think I counted it ends. So during these days, I hope I will be able to or manage to make some video for you, whether it's what I eat in a day, or maybe try to do updates, not even like weekly, but from week to week, or sometimes to do an update about how I'm doing, how I'm feeling, and stuff like that. And yeah, so that is my plan. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you are staying safe. I hope you are wearing masks, although it's not like needed right now. I still do wear my mask. I hope you are taking care of yourself and staying safe. And yeah, fingers crossed for me and fingers crossed for you. And if you're going through anything, I'm here for you. So yeah, thank you for being there, and